Magandang buhay mga channel viewers ng Health, Wealth, and Life Basics. I was taught when I was in another department of the government, one Hindu doctor who told me that God created 7 days and each day there must be a designated color which one should wear. For instance, for Sunday, you need to wear red color. White is absence of all color for Monday. Tuesday is pink. Wednesday is green. Thursday is either yellow or orange. And Friday is either purple or blue, and Saturday is presence of all color, which is black, and then Sunday, as I told you, is a red color. She also believes that in each month in the Western zodiac, you also need to follow a specific color when you attend a special occasion that would accentuate or enhance your lucky elements. So for Aquarius, they are born from January 20 to February 18. Their lucky color is Aquarius, aqua blue. They are silver and white. The Pisces, which are born between February 19 to March 20, their lucky color is purple, soft green, and lavender. For Aries, they are born from March 21 to April 19. They must wear red, white, and orange. For Taurus, born May 21 to June 21, they must wear yellow, light blue, and green. For Cancer, they are born June 22 to July 22, must wear silver, white, and blue. For Leo, born July 23 to August 22, must wear gold, orange, and white. For Virgo, born between August 23 to September 22, must wear forest green, white, and beige. For Libra, born between September 23 to October 23, must wear light pink, sky blue, and white. For Scorpio, born between October 24 to November 21, the lucky color for Scorpio is deep red, blue, and dark deep blue. For Sagittarians, born between November 22 to December 21, purple, turquoise, and white. For Capricorn, born between December 22 to January 19, dark green, navy blue, and white. So, if you think you would want to have good luck, it worked for me, especially the daily wearing of the 7 colors daily. I really wear white during Mondays, even at home. So, for my experience, hindi po ako nakaranas ng kahirapan, lalo na sa financial na matters. Thank you for listening. Kahit wala po akong masyadong pakulo sa aking mga vlog, and you're watching and following my videos and topics, do go to my playlist. Meron po ako mula sa August ng magagandang practices na gagawin mo sa iyong bahay para sa good luck and good vibes for the upcoming year. And meron din po ako yung pinaka-latest ko na mga predictions sa 2025. Thank you for listening. I have different playlists from acquiring money, the rich mindset, the current news, the health tips that you should follow na wala pong sakit. Kagaya ko, I'm over 60 and by God's grace, dahil sa mga kinakain ko at nagfa-follow ako sa magagandang mga pagkain na may nutrition, yun po ay nakatulong sa akin until now. Great times, my dear viewers, and thank you for subscribing.